Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up a bead subscription from Czech Beads exclusive. I will leave a link for their website and information about them down there in the description bar. And now I'm going to open this up. So this subscription is supposed to be for Christmas. And like I said, I'll leave information about it down there in the description bar. The last time I got a subscription from them, there was a ton of stuff in this tiny little box. It totally blew my mind. It's really exciting. So, let's see what they have inside. Okay, so here is their website, czechbeadsexclusive.com. And they are located in the Czech Republic. This is the Christmas box. And there is 28 items in here. Holy cow! Good grief. This is incredible. I can't believe how much stuff they fit into this tiny little box. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I'm going to be able to follow the list because there's so many things and I don't know the order of it, so I'm probably just going to go through the box unless I dump it all out. So these here are bails, pinch bails. They're gold color. Very pretty. I do not have any bails like that at all. Mine are a lot bigger and I don't have pinch bails. I just have like regular bails that you attach things to. These are seed beads. They are a silver line brown. They're very pretty, and I'm sure they are Czech seed beads because this is from the Czech Republic. Here's a silver line purple. Those are gorgeous. And we have a charm. Oh my gosh, that is darling. I love that. It's a little star, and it's like a beaded star. Almost looks like ball chain. I want to open this one up and look at it. That is so cute. I love that. Okay. And by the way, the product number is right here, so you can just type that in and instantly find these items on their site. Ooh, these are cool. These have huge holes, like a 5mm hole, I would say. Maybe even a 6. Those are really neat. Love those. Oh, a different color. You know what they look like? They look like gigantic seed beads. It's like the shape of a seed bead, but they're enormous. Those are really cool. Here's some little green stars, and these are Czech. Of course, I think everything in here is Czech. Here is some Czech fire polish beads. These look like a 10mm, 10 or 12mm size. And here's some more seed beads. And I think that these are probably either 10-0s or 11-0 seed beads. Last time I got the subscription, I got 10-0s. And here are some Czech drucks in a beautiful copper color. Matte copper. And here's the code for that. Oh, and here's more of those beads in green. It's like an olive green. They're really cool. I like these. Ooh, and more in silver. A crystal silver color. And here are some blue beads. They are a cube shape, but the hole is not from the top and bottom. It's at an angle for the bead. Those are really cool. Oh, and I forgot to show you the product code. And then here are some drops, and I love this color. That is so pretty. Teardrops and pinch beads. Those are very pretty. I wonder if this is a California color. Oh, and owls. Last time I got this box, I got some owls that were double-sided. One side was gold, and I think the other side was a rose gold color, or like copper. They're really cute. Look at the detail in them. I love this blue. Here's another charm. This one's a snowflake. Here's more teardrops. Very pretty color. More pinch bales. There is so much stuff in this box. That's a silver pinch bale there. And here are more seed beads in a dark red color. Like a garnet red, I would say. It's so dark. They're very pretty. And here are some more seed beads in white. These are either a luster, I want to say. I think they're luster. A luster or an AB white. But I want to say luster. I don't know. And then we have some more charms. Oh, trees. Christmas trees. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So that's the front. And that's the back. They're very cute. Ooh, the Hawaiian hibiscus flowers. Those are so pretty. Those beads are so expensive. Especially the huge ones. They're like the size of a quarter. Here are some leaf beads. I actually have a bunch of these in my stash, but I don't have that color. They're really pretty. Here are some more charms. Snowflakes. They're so cute. And here is another charm. I think it's a Santa. Let's see. Oh yes, it's an enameled one. Glass enameling on it. That's really cute. And I see some really cute, awesome things in the bottom of the box. Striped seed beads. I love striped seed beads. They're kind of hard to find. These are really neat. I've never seen these colors before. Look at this. It's a pink lined clear, but there's the blue stripes on it. Those are really cool. There's some really neat, unique colors in here I've never seen before. I've gotten from Czech Beads Exclusive before some beautiful striped seed beads that I use in my tutorials. I did my loopy leather bracelets. I use the striped seed beads in those. Those were really cool. Okay, so the last thing is a button. In the last box I got a huge button. Some of you guys might have seen that video. The button was like this big. I'm not kidding. It was huge. It was gorgeous. That's pretty. It's actually a transparent color. I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but it's not like an opaque black. It's actually like a smoky quartz color in the background. It's really gorgeous. Okay, so I think I might go to the list and try to match some of the things up. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be back. I figured out what everything is on the list, and I'm going to go over it real quick with you guys. So the first thing is the Crystal Silver Line Czech Round beads. They are 12 by 9 millimeter. Those are the really big ones. We have Hot Gold Plated Large Star, Useful Antique Silver Snap-on Bail, Leaf Czech Beads 10 millimeter by 13 millimeter, Green Silver Line Beads 12 by 9 millimeter, Teardrops 6 by 4 millimeter, Czech Seed Beads 10-Os, Antique Silver Snap Bail. So I think that was an accident right there. It says silver here, and then up here it says silver. It's actually gold. And this is the dark blue silver lined beads, 12 millimeter by 9 millimeter. We have teardrop beads, 6 millimeter by 4 millimeter. Striped seed beads, they are 6/0. We have rare owl beads, 15 by 7 millimeter. Round druck Czech beads, 4 millimeter. Czech round seed beads, 10 millimeter, or 10/0, excuse me. We have star Czech glass, 6 millimeter beads. Square beads, they are 8 by 9 millimeter. Czech fire polish beads, they are 10 millimeter. Yellow topaz silver line beads, 12 by 9 millimeter. This here says it's a small teardrop. That there is a boo-boo. These are actually pinch beads. So I don't know if my box just didn't get the teardrops. I do have 28 items, but sometimes they've said to me before that if they run out of an item that is in the box, that they'll exchange it for a different item. So that's what might have happened here, or they accidentally put the wrong thing on the paper. So it's one of those two things. Okay, where was I? Teardrop. Okay, rare Czech glass button. This here. Table cut flower beads, these here. This is the 12 millimeter size. Round seed beads, 10/0s. Enameled Santa Claus charm. Hot crystal seed beads, 10/0. Antique silver snowflake charm. Christmas tree charm. Glass round seed beads, 10/0. And Christmas snowflake charm, these here. So all of the seed beads were 10/0 seed beads, except for this here. This is 6/0 seed beads. So this is everything I got. Isn't this a lot? It seems like a lot of stuff in this box. And they put it into this tiny little box. It's all just crammed in there. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will leave a link for their website down there in the description bar, along with some other information, so make sure you check that out. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. Like me on Facebook, show me pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.